You can literally use Claude to automate your backlink building process very easily and actually start ranking much higher on Google, on Bing, like any other search engines, and also get cited more by ChatGPT, Google AI overviews, like any other AI search engines as well. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how we can do this with a simple connection with ElvixAI, which helps you to find backlink opportunities, reach out to the right person, and also follow up all on autopilot, and also how we can manage all this process from your Claude chat screen. So how this works is basically Elvix comes with a MCP connection, which lets you to connect your agent to your AI assistant, so you can basically start building backlinks just by chatting on this screen. So first of all, I just asked Claude to list me all my Elvix workspaces, which I have two websites that I'm building backlinks for. And for Postplanify specifically, I just asked what are my next top 50 prospects websites, like pages, that I can reach out to for a backlink. And I also asked him to tell me the top 10 pages that I can reach out to, so I can also check how relevant are these pages. And as you can see, these pages are pretty highly relevant to my niche, which is a social media management. If you go to Postplanify, it is a social media management tool, and it is also helping people to schedule posts, track analytics, like all this sort of stuff for social media agencies and marketing teams. And the pages that this tool found me is like social media content strategies that work, like social media tactics, 5 useful social media analytics tools, like all these are pretty highly relevant for me, and it will be great for me to get into those placements and also get a backlink from these websites, so I can basically increase my domain authority pretty easily on Google and any other AI search engines as well. And of course, after you have all these pages that you can reach out to, the next step is finding the right person to contact, and also make sure that these email addresses that you are going to be finding is verified from the source. So I just asked him to find the contact details and verify all of them, and it just listed me all these details, which Elvix is using a third-party app in the backend to find the right contact email addresses that you can reach out to for a backlink from those pages. Then I just asked him to review each draft for pages, basically Elvix generated for me, and also look at if pages make sense, if it's relevant to my niche, and also is there anything we should change before queuing these emails. And it just looked at a few, and it also told me a table of like the relevancy verdict per page, and also some issues that he finds, and also told me like what he would change before queuing. And I just asked him, tell me what needs to be done step by step, and it just told me all these steps, and I just told him do all and tell me the updated status. And it just of course executed this, and also it came up with like give me contact position, page title, and email drafts, so I can review it before queuing these emails to these persons. So of course it just gave me a list, like this first one is marketing proofs, it find the right person to contact, and also it created me a subject and also an email body that I can use pretty easily. And all these are basically personalized for this page specifically, by the way, like their page title, and also telling why this could be pretty relevant to add on their article, and also talking about what is Postplanify and asking in return we will be happy to feature their website on our site where it makes sense. So that's pretty much like the whole template, and it's also personalizing for per prospect as well. So it just gave me all these details. I just took a look at them, and after making sure that they look good, and I just told him to queue all these and tell me when they will be sent, it just created me all these queue dates, and also of course when they will be sent, and also if they are verified or not right here too. So you can of course also ask, can you unqueue all these emails, or tell me like what is my queued emails, what are my ready to send emails. Like I can basically ask, is there any other ready to send emails Elvix found for me, so we can just queue them as well on this list. So as you might have noticed that Claude is using Elvix on the backend to automate this entire process and take action on your behalf. So let me just show you the dashboard on Elvix site, like what is going on behind the scenes, so you have a better understanding. Of course, when you first sign up for Elvix, you will have a workspace for your website, which it will include all the information such as the description, your target audience, your competitors, like your keywords, like all these are generated with AI. So these all will be used to personalize your experience, like your backlink outreach inside Elvix. And after that, Elvix will try to find prospects and also pages that you can place a backlink from. And it could be also highly relevant to your niche as well. Like all these pages are pretty much the stuff that I would love to get a backlink from. Like this is a resource article, like this is also another article, like I can just use and also take a look at this list and see like which one is highly relevant for me and which is not. Of course, it's not like something normal, but if you see something that is not really relevant, you can also delete those prospects or block those domains as well. And of course, there's this functionality to find emails for these websites, like things that you can use to reach out to. Like for example, Elvix just found me a digital marketing manager at this website. So it is just finding the right contacts to contact, because you wouldn't want to reach out to people who doesn't have the ability to add a backlink or manage all this process. So after you have the pages that you can reach out to and also the contact details, in the Outreach tab, you'll be seeing ready to send email drafts created by Elvix completely. And of course, you can also edit this by managing your email templates right here as well. You have a subject and also a body where you use to personalize each email for each sender. And after that, you'll be seeing all these emails generated right here. And of course, then you can queue these emails to be sent afterwards, or you can also send them right now or edit with AI. Like all these are pretty supported on Elvix. And then you'll be seeing all your queued emails right here and also the sent emails right here. And if someone replies back to you, you'll be seeing them all right here. So you can also manage the rest of the process in Elvix dashboard too. You can also, of course, ask your Claude agent to do this for you, because it will have all the information you see in this dashboard. And how this works is basically you create an API key and then of course go to the like MCP setup screen, and you can set up this for your Claude desktop, your Claude Code agent, or also for ChatGPT. You can use any AI agent that you want with this connection type. So that's pretty much it. I also want to show you, by the way, when you first connect your email inbox in Elvix, there will be also a warm-up process will start, which will help you to build authority and also warm up your inbox, because you would want your deliverability score to high and you wouldn't want to land in spam. And this is exactly the process Elvix uses to prevent this as well. So that's pretty much the whole logic. Hope you found this video helpful, and I really think that Elvix and also your Claude agent can be super helpful to build backlinks in 2026, because you don't really need to do this all manually. Instead of like spending hours every single day, you can just automate this whole process just like I showed you in this video. So let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, just let me know and I will be happy to answer them. Have a great day. Take care. Cheers.